दावत मीडिया यूट्यूब चैनल, मोहब्बत का पैगाम, इंसानियत के नाम।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वल आकिबतु लिल मुत्तकीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल मुरसलीन वक़ाल अल्लाहु तबारक व तआला फ़िल क़ुरआनिल मजीद वल फ़ुरक़ानिल हमीद। अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। वमा अरसलनाका इल्ला रहमतल लिल आलमीन। Respected teachers and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today the topic of my speech is Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The life of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a role model for every person of this world who believes in Allah and the day of judgment. This source of light and guidance, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, can lead us completely. The world has seen a lot of scholars, philosophers and preachers, but none was as great as the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah sent His messenger in every period of history to guide the humanity. The world had been waiting for the last prophet for centuries. This long wait was ended. Prophethood of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if Hazrat Musa had been alive, he had no option but to follow me. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born and died in the month of Rabiul Awwal. In the month of Rabiul Awwal, our love for the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam involved not only the devotion and passion for him but to follow his deed also. The Quran and Sunnah are the basis of our religion. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam can lead us completely. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, holy lifestyle of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, collective life of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।
दावत मीडिया यूट्यूब चैनल, मोहब्बत का पैगाम, इंसानियत के नाम।